Today I'd like to talk about what comes in your Jawbone safety device kit, show you a few options that we have, and also demonstrate an installation. First off, in the kit you have the Jawbone safety device. You'll have 2 torque plates, 4 U-bolt shims, 2 frame spacers, 4 U-bolts, 8 nuts, and 8 washers. I'd like to talk about frame height for a little bit. There is 3 different types of frame heights depending on the make and model of your truck. We deal with that one of 2 ways. This here is a direct fit frame spacer. It is designed directly for the model of frame that you have. This is the most economical way to go. However, we do have another option. We have the universal frame spacer. This here will fit any one of the 3. It is a little bit of additional cost, however, it gives you the flexibility of putting it on any truck out there. Also, I'd like to mention we do sell the direct fit and the universal frame spacers separately from the kit, and so if you'd like to keep a couple of these in stock on your shelf, we can do that as well. Also, I'd like to talk about frame width for a little bit. There is 2 different types of frame width. There's either a 33-inch or a 34-inch. This unit can fit either or. For the 33-inch, you simply use the first 2 set of notches. For the 34-inch, you utilize the second set of notches. And we will demonstrate that in the installation as well.
Okay, now we're going to show you how to install the Jawbone safety device. Lay it on top of your frame rail here. At this point I'm going to show you, it's important to measure the kingpin on your trailer to the front of the trailer, and then also measure from your heel, your 5th wheel, to the via the bone, and make sure that it's a greater distance so you ensure a good catch. I'm going to take the frame spacer. This is the direct fit model. Lay that in there. On this unit, we have the 33-inch frame rail width, so we're going to be using the shorter 2 notches. So go ahead and line that all up and slide it down through the tabs on the frame spacer. Take a torque plate, go from the underside of your frame rail and fasten it to all 4 Once you have this side secured, repeat the process on the opposite side, and then make sure and torque all 4 U-bolts to 300 foot-pounds, and the install is complete.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate now the assembly for the universal frame spacer and walk you through all the different hole configurations for your different frame heights. First off, the universal frame spacer is made up of 2 separate halves of the spacer itself. Then you have an adapter plate, 4 bolts, and 4 nuts. First off, I'll go ahead and demonstrate the 9 5/8 frame height. I got these props to just assist me in the demonstration. Makes it a little bit easier to assemble. You just set the 2 halves up there like that. Take your adapter plate, lay it on top. You want to use the center holes for the 9 5/8 frame. that there will be the correct height for the 9 5/8. If you have the 10-inch, very simple. You just move that out a little bit further and you utilize the center 4 holes for the 10-inch. That's the correct configuration for a 10-inch frame. If you have the 11 1/4-inch frame, you simply move it out just a little bit further and you utilize the 4 outside holes. And that is the correct configuration for the 11 1/4-inch frame. After that, you simply install the nuts on the back side and torque them down to 100 foot-pounds, and the installation will be complete.